Clinical examination of the cardiovascular system. Let's look at cough. When left ventricular failure occurs, pressure in the left atrium rises, and this increases pressure in the pulmonary veins and capillaries, and the lung becomes stiff. So when pulmonary capillary pressure exceeds the oncotic pressure of the plasma, fluid leaks into the alveoli and pulmonary edema occurs. So the patient then begins to cough up frothy sputum, which may be pink or sometimes stained with blood. With a rise in the left atrial pressure and increasing stiffness of the lung, the patient becomes breathless on lying flat, and this is called autopnea. Sometimes, in patients with left ventricular failure, the patient gets recurrent attacks of being woken up in the night with shortness of breath. He rushes to the window, opens the window for fresh air, and he pants for breath. And these attacks are known as paroxysmal nocturnal dyspnea.